Introduction Flash Programming. How to use Renesas Flash Programmer. Basic Operation Edition. Renesas Flash Programmer is flash memory programming software. This video explains how to program microcontroller on-chip flash memory. It will help you understand how to get Renesas Flash Programmer and its basic operations. Simple GUI application, easy to use and fully functional from development to mass production. PC-controlled programming via the E2 emulator, E2 emulator Lite, E20 emulator, Sega J-Link debug probes, a serial or USB connection. In addition, not only GUI application but suitable for automated processes due to its rich command line functions. The operating system is also compatible with Linux and Mac OS. You can find the Renesas Flash Programmer homepage by searching through the Renesas Electronics website. Then scroll down and click the Windows Edition from the Download category. In addition to the Windows Edition, the Linux and the Mac OS Edition is also supported. We recommended to use the latest version of the software. Accept the agreement, and click the button to start the download. Open the compressed file and double-click on the executable to launch the installer. When the installer starts, follow the instructions. The product selection will be left at the default settings and no special changes are required. All USB drivers for supported adapters will also be installed. Next, prepare the board to program. We will use the TB board for RX140. On this board, programming circuit called E2OB is implemented. Therefore, all you have to do is connect the board to the PC with RFP installed with a USB cable. The RX140 is used in this video, but the procedure is the same for other families. Now that the software is installed and the board is ready, let's launch Renesas Flash Programmer. Firstly, create a project. Select RX100 to be programmed. Select a folder and enter a project name of your choice. Click the Tool button and select E2 Emulator Lite. Change the interface setting to Fine. Click on the Connect button and you will see to connect to RX140 successfully. Select the program file. You can also drag and drop directly. Confirm the program file has been loaded successfully. Now all you have to do is click the Start button. By default, Erase, Program, and Verify are set to run continuously. When it is done successfully, it displays an easy-to-understand OK, which can also be seen in the log window. We hope you now understand how easy it is to go through the entire process from tool setup to configuration to programming. You can get all the information about Renesas Flash Programmer from this URL.